Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. So our tutorial for today is on how to uh, set a web phone or the ViciPhone on our uh, new installation, last installation using the Alma Linux. So we're gonna continue the configuration. We will going to set up a web phone or the ViciPhone for the ViciDial. Okay guys, so let's continue our installation. So this is our Alma Linux. So I need to I need to open on my the footy. Okay, and then I need to access the page. Okay, I think I need to because I set up Dynaportal on this, so I need to authenticate myself on the portal. Okay, so we need to wait. Oops. Okay, this is how we use the Dynaportal on Alma Linux or the Rocky Linux. It's the same procedure to set up that portal. Okay. Okay, before we are waiting the loading or the authentication of the our firewall, so we need to link our IP to our domain. So we'll go to my editor. Okay, I just add a record on this domain address. Then my Rocky. I put BG Rocky. Okay, so I can put this is my domain now. Then add on the a record. Then you need to go back on here. So you much better you can configure your host name with your home domain. Okay, so for this one you can put the Rocky domain there and the local IP. Okay, and save it. Okay, we don't have the permission, so we need to do a sudo. Okay, then nano/h host. Okay, and repeat again. So 172.31.47.17 the local IP, and then go to the host name. Replace this one with your host name. Okay, and then save it. Okay, so go back on here. So gonna say file not found because I did not edit that, but we can. I think we can able to access now our server. As you can see, this is Rocky Linux. So gonna go here to our PHP my admin settings. Okay, so I'm successfully logged in and server is time sync. Okay, so I will go to my blog and then httpd, gonna go for SSL installation. Let's encrypt because we are using Let's Encrypt on our installation. So we gonna create Let's Encrypt. Okay, for our domain. Okay, so we're gonna copy this one. We need to create vhost. Okay, and then any name, you can put any name on this. So me, I prepared the domain, just then I put .com, and then you can copy this one. Okay. Okay, and then change this one to HTML, and then replace this one with your domain. And this is the log file for your domain, so that it's separated with HTTP logs. Okay, and then save it. Okay, and then after that, we're going to follow the installation. So you no need to do that one because we already have the HTML directory there. Okay, gonna install some need. Okay, nothing to do. Okay, nothing to do, and then we need to install the certbot. Okay, so nothing to do. Okay, and then gonna now generate our Let's Encrypt certificate for our domain. So just enter your email address. Okay, and then just wait until it will process. Okay, so this one you need to terms of condition, just click Y to yes, and other to next it should be okay. This one, if you want to receive some promotion or any other announcement, you can select yes there, or you can no for if you don't want. Okay, and then choose your domain which you gonna apply for Let's Encrypt certificate. So as you can see, I have Dynaportal.company because I enabled the Dynaportal already. So I will choose my domain is the ViciRaki at VoIPdialer.com. So I'm gonna choose 2. So and then we need to wait to process our request for the certificates. Okay. Okay, so I got an error. Okay, let me check. I think I need to open my fourth certificate is temporary. Okay, so they did not fetching a data. So let me check my firewall CMD list to list all the open ports. Okay, so as of now, I don't have open ports HTTP, so I can allow ports. So permanent add port. So we gotta add port 80 TCP. Okay, so firewall CMD, then reload it. Okay, so if you check the list now, I have already the port 80, so I can request the certbot again, and just to okay, so we have successfully requested our SSL certificate. So this is now our SSL certificate now, and then we're gonna ready to configure our uh, server to able to receive or enable the web phone, but we need to re-download the ViciPhone. So gonna go to if you check the ViciPhone, we will use the Cabrera. Okay, so I'm gonna copy, gonna clone this, gonna cd for www.html, and then I will put on AGC document directory, and then gonna go git. Okay, so don't have git, yum install git. Okay, I'm sorry, the command is wrong, so gonna good be git clone. Okay, so then paste it. Okay, so after that is all done, we need to configure now our Asterisk server. So gonna asterisk http://d.conf. Okay, and then this one uncomment the enable, yes. The bind address, you can change the bind address to 0.0. Bind port 8080, no need that. So we need an SSL, so we gonna go for this one. Okay, and then for the SSL certificate file, okay, gonna this one, and just copy. Okay, then I will put my SSL file private key. Okay, over there, and also for is that okay, the full chain. Okay, and then control 0 to save, then exit. And then because we are using AWS, we have a public IP and we have a private and public IP, so we need to configure our rtp.com. So gonna go down and look for this on here. So you need to add your private IP and equal to your public IP. Okay, this is important you need to do when you are using when your server is under NAT or behind the NAT. So you need to configure this one, and then you need to allow ports in your firewalls, especially on routers, so that they can able to reach outside. Okay, and also I need to configure my zip.conf. Okay, so from here we need to modify. So okay, I have my external, local, and my domain. Okay, that's okay for now. Gonna check my screen ls. So it's complete. It's 12. I have running up 12 screen. So I will restart my Asterisk now. Okay, that's be fine. Okay, yeah, that's very fine already. Just Asterisk. So some dependencies. And I'll reload and check the HTTPD if already running. So we have now a WebSocket on here. So and now we need to I need to remove my port on my firewall D so that I can able to okay, so from here I'm gonna remove so command I put this one and just put to remove. Okay, and also the port 81. and then I will add only the 466 for the 446. So 446 is for uh, dynamic portal HTTP. So we need to edit that also, the HTTPD compd, then dynamic portal. So from here, I think the Dynaportal SSL is not yet, so we can modify this one. So or we can get a file from here, from the Dynaportal HTTPS. So we need to go to the download, ViciDial download.com. Okay, so release app, not this one. Required apps, okay, not this one. Where's that? Get the apps. So okay, so we need to where is it again? Packages. I need to find that. Wait, I forgot which of this one. 2021. Okay. Yeah, okay, so this one. So I need to get a dynamic portal. Okay, this one. I just copy this one. Okay. I just copy this one and modified all the settings there. And then I'm gonna add the new dynaportal.ssl. I can put ssl.com, then paste here, and then you can modify the location. Okay, so we're gonna change this one to var slash www slash html. That's Dynaportal. Okay, so for the error log, you can add this one HTTPD. So because we don't have an Apache to HTTPD, okay, include Apache. This one we can HTTPD if they have, but if not, we can remove that later. So we will check if our Apache or our HTTP will run after we restart it. Okay, I need to get the certificate again. Okay. Okay. So r slash www slash html slash dynaportal. Okay, so I think it looks good. You can also change this one to with your qualified domain name. Okay. So if I restart my HTTPD, restart. Okay, so as you can see, we have an error. Maybe that the file that we are HTTP syntax error in 387. Let me check this syntax on the line 307. So we need to modify maybe some settings. Okay, so this one include optional conti.co. So we're gonna remove that on to simplify our okay, gonna comment that this one. Okay, gonna restart again. So still having an error. Let me check. So cannot find directory varlag httpd. So for that one, if you check our varlag, yeah, so gonna do httpd error then access log. Okay, so gonna modify that logs. So varlag, he said should be gonna is varlag httpd error log access log, and the error is can't find. Okay, so we don't have a Dynaportal. Okay, this is one that I'm not correct. I'm sorry for that. So we gonna fix that. www html. So we have Dynaportal there. Okay, so the issue is this one only. Okay, gonna start again. So still have an issue. So HTML Dynaportal. What will be the portal name? Is Din. Yeah. Which one? I miss. I'm sorry for that. It's my bad. So sorry for this. So still I have an error. Means directory varlag no such file httpd. But we have. Oh shit, my bad again. What happened to me? Hi. Why? Okay, so perfect. So we have now successfully restarted our Apache. So we're gonna check if HTTPD status. So it's working fine, but I need to add my httpd httpd.com httpd and then .com httpd. Okay, so from here you need to add a listen. Okay, I just replaced this one to 446. Yeah, okay, and then restart again. Viola. Just stop. Okay, so let's try if can able to access our portal. So this is our phone link domain. Yeah, okay, 446 and then valid 8.php. So we need to set this to HTTPS. Okay, so let me check my IP set list. Okay, I have allowed one IP there. Okay, so why is not able to come up the HTTP? Okay, so I will try to add the list, then all. Okay, 446. We have key, so as you can see, we don't have HTTPS or HTTPS allowed in our firewall. So I'm gonna add that one. Firewall the zone and then public. Okay. I'm gonna copy the rule. The rule of the rule. Okay. I can change this one to HTTPS for now. Okay. We're gonna restart. Okay, if I refresh, I need to restart the firewall D again. Okay, so we have now HTTPS connection. Let me check. 446 slash valid 8.php. Okay, so gonna check the. I need to install some SSL. So we have already an SSL. Okay, maybe I will try to open port. I see, maybe I have a closed port in my security here. Yeah, all ports are open. Okay, pins is open to all. And I have dynamic list, HTTP, or maybe I can add. I need to add. I need to add protocol for port here. Okay. What is the issue? So not recognize the invalid server name 443. Okay, so let me check. Where's this one, the server name? HTTPD. So we have an issue on our okay, so under the SSL HTTP 443, we should modify also the domain. Okay. Installation of domain. Okay. And then reload the HTTPD again. Check the error log. So we can able to access our dialer now, but on the port 446. So connection private, so it's not working. So we need to investigate this issue for our Dynaportal. So we're gonna check the yeah, this is bad. Okay, so we need to change this Dynaportal 24666 446. This is very bad, very bad. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's correct. Then put a valid 8.php. Bingo. So we are successfully set up our Dynaportal. So we will check that later. So for now, we're gonna continue our configuration for our ViciDial. So ViciDial /admin.php. Okay, gonna start and test our okay, so from here you need to create your templates. Okay, add a new template. So gonna tag as ViciPhone. We need to, where's the template? You can get the template on the portal also. Okay, so we can template and then also put your SSL again there. Okay, copy this one and paste. Next, copy also this one and then paste. Oops, paste. So we have now a template, And then after that, we need to go to the system settings. Okay, you need to modify or add your web URL. So from here, you can put the web link. So RW value. Okay, and just copy this one. I just copy and then paste over here. Then save. And then from the server settings, okay, so you need to configure the web socket. Okay, so the web socket should be your domain. Okay, and then so reload the files. Okay, so after that, we are ready to create our phones. So here we have a test one phone. So gonna modify only this one. So we need to set to web phone. And then because we are using a private and public IP, so we need to set this use external server IP. So it means the system or the asterisk, it will use the 54 IP when the registration of the web phone, and then the template ID. So select the ViciPhone you created for the template and then submit. Okay, and then go back to the user. We're gonna add, let me check if we have already a campaign. So I will create a test campaign. Okay, and I will disable the Cooper so that I can able to log in. Okay, just set and then save, and then create a user now. Add the new user. What is the phone over there? Okay, so this just 1000 is the user. So I'm gonna add the user. Okay. Okay, so we have a user, and then I will use incognito. So I'm gonna be Chiraki. Okay, so this one AGC slash ViciDial .php. Paste. Okay. Submit. So let's check if we have a pop-up. Or as you can see, still registration failed. So let me check what will be the issue, why it's failed. Said it's forbidden test for registered. Okay, so from this one, because we need to restart our server, so we're gonna restart and make a test again. And also we're going to also to try our Dynaportal, how it's work on Rocky Linux. Okay, so while we're waiting, so I want to check. I get a screenshot on the server. Yeah, still on. Okay. Yeah, still waiting. Just a few minutes. Okay, starting. Okay. Oh, it takes too long. Yes, we need to wait a few minutes. I think, okay, it's back now. So first login, we need to check our screen if it's complete. So we have now 9 screen, 8. So we need to wait few screens to start. And then I will refresh the page. So yeah, it's working. Gonna close this one. Okay, so as you can see, Asterisk is not yet run. So we need to wait our Asterisk to be synced. Okay. Okay, so let's check now. Okay, and then gonna try. So as you can see here, my phone still on failed stage. So I'm gonna log out, log in. I wanted to check the error so that we can fix. Oh, okay, so I think it's nothing to fix. So we have successfully again configure our portal. Okay. Okay. So, and now we're gonna test. I will go into, wait, I need to configure again the dynamic portal for the direction. Okay. For HTML. Okay, so from the redirection, I need to change this one to my IP. Okay, so login level 1. You can put a counter. ViciDial.php. Okay. Okay, so check. Okay, now I will try to use a VPN to test if the Dynaportal is working, but I need to check the list of Firewall, CMD, this all. So as you can see, my allowed port open is 446, 446, and 22. So I will show you later. Okay. So I'm gonna log in the VPN so that we will test if the line portal is working. I refresh, checking can able to, yeah, so I can't able to access the portal. Okay, so if I go to the open port scanner, let me check my open port, like 440, it's not open. 446, only open, and port 22. Okay, so gonna now to request for validation. So okay, so gonna use our agent test 1000. I think it's test 1000 or test 100. Yeah, so it's test. Okay, let's wait if we can able to access again our portal. So 1 minute the validation for the IP, and then it will add on the dynamic list IP, and every 1 minute, because when the cron refresh, it will add that on the list every 1 minute. So if possible, I will try to do something. If we can do lower it like 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Okay, so click this one, then submit. Yeah. Yeah, so now we can able to access our ViciDial using the Dynaportal. Okay, so our Dynaportal is working fine, and uh, working fine right now. I did not see any issue right now using the uh, okay. Yeah. So we have successfully logged in. So guys, this is good again on our end. So we have completely configured the Scratch installation on Rocky Linux, and install the ViciPhone, and also I configured for the securities, firewalls that can, so that no one can attack your server, especially right now. Most of the telecom or VoIP providers getting attacked by someone due to because most of the business right now is going to online, so we need to secure your server for stability. And okay, so once again guys, I think this is for tutorial for today on how to install and configure the Rocky Linux for setting up the ViciPhone, and I'll show you on how it's working on with Firewall D and Dynaportal for ViciDial. Okay, so once again guys, if you like my video, can you please give me a like and share with my videos, and also uh, if you did not yet are my subscriber, you can click the subscribe button and click the notification bell, so that you're always updated on our uh, latest promo. And also guys, if you are looking a hosting provider for your ViciDial, you can look on the description below for the some hosting provider that giving a discount when you click that link on the description, so you will get your best BPS rate, BPS or dedicated server for your ViciDial. So all the links are on the description of this video below. So we have a Contabo, Etzner, Ionos, Namecheap, DigitalOceans, and many more hosting provider that can host your web dialer like ViciDial, Fusion PBX, and other dialers that you want to use from your company. Okay, guys, and you can also host your company server and docs because they have a large capability for the datas. Okay, guys, once again, this is video for today. So uh, if you need some help, you can contact me also on the, you can see all my details how to contact me on for the setting up on your server, but they have a fee so that you can help me to sustain also the videos I created, so that when I have a new, I can upload the video on here. So once again, guys, thank you, and thank you for supporting my channels for and watching it. So more views, I more I I I will create more videos, more views, more videos. Okay, guys, thank you, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.